Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Sana Amira and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Sana. I do a lot of unboxings, unbaggings, like style hauls, clothing hauls, try-ons, shoe try-ons. I love sneakers, I love clothes, I love beauty. So I like to sprinkle a few vlogs here and there, a few beauty videos here and there. So if you think that's something that you'd be interested in, go ahead and subscribe to me and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So today we're doing one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing video. I'm excited because I've been wanting these sneakers. I've seen them in real life and I kept them in the back of my mind. And then of course I waited for Black Friday and I got them on sale. So yeah, I'm wearing this outfit because I'm gonna try on the sneakers with this fit. I wanted this fit to go with these sneakers, but now that I'm seeing this fit in real life, I will link the video in the info bar above because I've done a video for this outfit as well. But yeah, I'm now realizing that it's gonna be two different colors, but it's okay. I'm gonna work it out. I'm gonna wear it anyways. Don't care. I mean, I care a little bit because I wanted it to like be matchy-matchy, but it's not gonna be matchy-matchy, but it's gonna be in the same family. It's gonna be monochromatic. So yeah, let's dig into this box to see what I got. So they're Nikes, and I got them from Foot Locker, but they did have them on the Nike website, but I think they were like sold out. But yeah, this is the box that it comes in. So these are called the Nike Tech Hera. I got them in light silver, mica green sail. I got them in a 9.5 because that's my size. These are women's sneakers. So yeah, let's dig in. Zaza! I'm obsessed. I love them. I'm so happy. I mean, it goes. Like I said, same family, monochromatic, but yeah. I mean, it matches pretty well. Like, I was hoping that my fit would be more so like this color, but I'm not gonna lie, the greens match pretty well. It's matching pretty well. So I'm excited. Yay! I guess I forgot what color this looked like in real life. But yeah, I'm excited. So I wanted the Nike Tech Heras because they give me like 90s vibes. These and also the, what are those other sneakers called? I think they were Monarch. I think that's what they were called. I'll post a picture because I have a pair, but yeah, the Monarch and these kind of remind me of like throwback sneakers, like OG, like 90s vibe sneakers. So yeah, that's why I picked these. They have a kind of like eggshell sole and a gray bottom. It's like a minty green on the inside and then like a foresty seafoam green on the outside. But yeah, these are nice. I'm gonna try these on. Y'all can judge the fit, okay? So yeah. They have this cute like light blue, baby blue, powder blue periwinkle detail on the front. It's a nice little touch. I love it. So this is how they look with the fit. They're super comfortable. I'm in love. Yeah. It's interesting because they have like a round toe and I feel like a lot of Nikes have more of like a pointed toe. So it's just interesting to see this silhouette, but I love it. They're really comfortable. I wore them tied and it felt really tight, like all right here. So I might just wear them untied, like really giving it throwback style, like back to the early 2000s with Fila's. But yeah, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? I spit on myself. Does it look cute with the fit? Is it a vibe? Thumbs up for a vibe. Thumbs up even if it's not a vibe. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. But yeah, they're super comfortable. I'm excited. I'm ready to take on the town, paint the town red. But yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. I am on the road for 1,000 subscribers, and right now I'm at like 8 something. So help us sister out. That's like 200 more people. That's all I need. That's all I need to get to 1,000. So help me out. Help me help you. Help me. But yeah, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more unboxing videos, if you want to see more styling videos, if you want to see just whatever you want to see, leave it in the comments and I will try to do that for you. Okay, so yeah, make sure to follow me on all my social media at Honest Mira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.